Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to disassemble this Hyundai I20 side mirror. So first of all, we're going to disassemble those two plastic trim. And that's it. You see we have 3 bolt-in points. To take this trim out, all you need to do is to push it a bit towards the outside and then towards the engine. And that's it. Then you need to disassemble this electric connection. You need to push this trim and pull it out. Afterwards, you have 3 bolts. One over here, 2 bolts here, one here, and one here. After you get them off, you just need to push the side mirror outwards to get it out. Here, to put this plastic trim, you need to put it this way and connect it back. The bigger plastic trim, you just need to put it here and push it with your hand, and that's it.